I had signed up for an online RV Tech certification course at a different school. This school had a reputation for training techs who wanted to go work in a service center. And for better or worse, a lot of service centers have the reputation of swapping out parts instead of really understanding the theory of operations and trying to save their customers money and time. I wanted to come to a school that wasn't gonna just train their techs to go out and swap parts, but wanted to train their techs to not only understand the theory of operations, but how to run their own business as well. I felt like the cost of coming here, of getting to receive hands-on instruction and getting to learn from people who already had 5, 10, 15, or 20 plus years of experience, it's hard to put a price on that kind of education. My name is Andy Herrick. I live in a small town about an hour east of Pittsburgh. I first heard about the NRVTA, I think either through a Facebook ad or through one of Todd's Tech Tip Tuesdays. Well, this is now week number 7 at the NRVTA, and it has been a fantastic experience. But I remember I asked my student advisor if I needed to take fundamentals, because after all, I work in this industry, and she said yes. Okay. I learned far more that first week than I ever thought possible. And then that same pattern has continued each week that I'm here. So it's been both a very educational, but also a very humbling experience as well. I saw the value in coming here and being able to actually put my hands on these parts. And I have. I've put them on ACs and fridges, and not just the appliances themselves, but the tools as well. If I was talking to somebody who was on the edge about attending the NRVTA, I would say do it. There are a few things that you can get at school that you really can't find somewhere else. Hands-on learning, it's huge. But just as important, you have the chance to speak to your peers, to speak to your teachers. You will succeed in the long term by investing not just in yourself, but in your peers, and I think in your continuing education. Having the chance to sit at the feet of the masters, or to use a different phrase, to stand on the shoulders of giants.